Hey, what's up? This MJ100K. I'm going to give you the expert information in the first minute. This is for the experts who've done lots of tune-ups. The only trick for this tune-up is use a 1-inch extension for the rear spark plug on the passenger side. Just put your 1-inch extension on your spark plug socket and then you'll be able to get in there. 3 inches is too big. 1-inch extension is perfect size. If you don't have one, go to the store, and this will make the tune-up a lot easier. All the other plugs are super easy to get to, and you'll breeze right through it. So there, I got you out of here in the first 60 seconds. Please hit the like button on the way out if that's all you needed. Also, if you want to stick around and subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. We do lots of repairs, we talk about cars, and we talk about tools, and there's lots of dorky mechanic humor, and here is my dorky mechanic intro. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wrenches in my top drawer of my snap-on box, I think I'm missing. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pliers in my bottom drawer of my snap-on box. Get ready to fix some cars. Let's go! Alright, here we go. This is for the people who haven't done a million tune-ups in their life. For modern automotive vehicles, tune-up is only going to be changing the spark plugs, and if they have them, spark plug wires. For this vehicle, it's pretty easy. You can get to all the spark plugs, but you must know this before you get started. The engine must be cold. Do not do a tune-up on the hot engine. You may damage the threads in the head when you take out the spark plugs, and then you're going to have a heart attack. So pull those spark plug wires off. You may need to wiggle them around a little bit. Use some PB Blaster and soak those spark plugs really good on your cold engine. It's got to be cold, people. I'm not even kidding. It's got to be cold like getting fired on your day off. It's got to be cold like your girlfriend breaking up with you on your birthday in front of your whole family. That's how cold this engine's got to be. So that's what you need to remember. You're going to transfer those little metal heat shields. Do not forget to transfer those. They are there for a reason. So yeah, so you're going to get your spark plug socket and slowly take these plugs out. I sped this up, but yeah, do it slowly. Do not use power tools or air tools. Just use your hand and your ratchet. Take your time and let it come out slowly. I like to try to tighten them first just to make sure that they can be tightened, and then I'll loosen them. So there you go. That's the old one and the new one. As you can see, the old one is just about done. I'm glad there wasn't oil all over them. If you find there's oil all over them, you got an internal oil leak. And that's either coming up from the piston rings or coming down from the valve seals. So you got a problem if they're all covered with oil. That one was a little wet. That's just a PB Blaster. So here we go. When you tighten it, you should use a torque wrench and get the torque spec if you haven't done a million of these. But I do have a torque wrench implanted into my arm so I can feel the torque. See, I like to, when it starts pushing back a little bit, then you know it's pretty tight. See, I can feel it when it starts to push back. So read the directions for your spark plug wires. I got mine from Napa. They got pretty good. Parts there. You want to apply the dielectric grease to the inside of the spark plug boot to help when it needs to come out. You should hear it kind of pop in when you push them in a little bit or click in. And there you go, dielectric connector grease. I don't put NICs on my spark plug threads. I used to, but I don't anymore. I heard that it can affect the torque, so I just put them in dry. But you may want to look up the procedure for your specific vehicle anyway. But you should put this dielectric grease in there. Just smush it all in there. There you go. Now we're all smushed up. Yeah, I'm just showing you again. So you pop the spark plug wires back on. This is that real hard to get to wire or plug again in the rear passenger side. Just showing you again in case you missed it at the beginning. 1-inch extension is going to help you out for that one plug that's hard to get to. It's easy if you got the right tool though. Nice 1-inch extension. There we go. So let's go ahead and start it. The moment of truth. On other cars, you want to do the wires one at a time, but because they're different lengths, but they're all the same length in this vehicle, so it's okay. There you go. It was missing a little bit. The check engine light wasn't on, but a friend test drove it, and he said it rides a lot better now. It sounds better. It's a little loud because this one's got an exhaust leak. I got $100 for doing that. Ooh, I'm a millionaire. See you later. Have a good one.